Hi, my name's Carol from RVLiving Life. Today I'm going to show you a absolute ultimate potato soup, which is a family favorite. We're going to start now. First, the ingredients. We have potatoes. I have about maybe 4 or 5 potatoes, which I've chopped up in about 1/4 inch size, and I have a full pound of bacon, which I'm going to fry up. Next, we will have the garlic, but first we're going to saute or brown the bacon till it's crisp. Smell of bacon is wonderful. So the ingredients are 1 pound of bacon, 2 stalks of celery, 1 onion, 3 cloves of garlic, approximately 6 to 8 potatoes, 4 cups of chicken stock, and to cover the potatoes, just enough to cover the potatoes, 3 tablespoons of butter, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of heavy cream. I use 3% milk because I use this milk for my coffee as well. And then 1 teaspoon of dried tarragon, and then 3 teaspoons of fresh cilantro. I use about 5 teaspoons of tablespoons of fresh cilantro because I just love it. So let's start. As you can hear, the bacon is fried. I love to cook. As you can see, browning the bacon and starting to get brown. Almost ready. As you can see, it looks delicious. There is probably about 4 tablespoons of grease or fat, bacon fat at the bottom of that. I'm going to leave it in because I think it'll be really flavorful. So I just put in the celery and the onion, cooking it all together there. As you can see, it looks delicious and it smells amazing. Can't forget the garlic. Wow. RV is smelling really good. So I'm going to fry this until the the onions are translucent. We're almost there. Looks delicious. A lot of potatoes. Right now I'm going to put in the chicken stock. I have a non-GMO, no MSG, and I'm going to fill this up right covering the potatoes. Almost. Look at that. Perfect. I'm going to put a lid on. We'll wait till it starts to boil. We're going to simmer this until the potatoes are fork tender. So right now I'm going to make a roux with butter, a little bit of flour. Also, I'm going to be adding some cream to make it thick, and I'm going to be adding my tarragon and my cilantro. I'm going to make a nice cream sauce, and then I'm going to add that to my soup. And the taste of this soup will be amazing. It'll be nice and thick and creamy. It's delicious. There we go. There's our roux. Beautiful creamy roux. So I'm going to add my tarragon to this, and that'll be about 2 tablespoons of tarragon. Also, there's my cilantro. Gotta love cilantro. Make it into a creamy sauce. And there we go. I'm going to be adding this to our simmering soup. Creamy sauce. This is absolutely delicious. This is all mixed around. The smell is amazing. It looks so creamy. So what I'll do is I'll let this simmer for about 20 minutes on low. But before I do that, I'm going to add my salt and pepper. Pepper first. Lots of pepper. And a little bit of salt. Not too much because there's already salt in the bacon. Cheers. The smell in here is amazing. Here it is. This is the absolute ultimate potato soup. Bacon, tarragon, cilantro, a little bit of salt and pepper, and lots of potatoes. This is one of my family favorites. Creamy. Unbelievably delicious. Hope you enjoy this video, and let me know if you want more videos, and subscribe. Thank you.